Hello friends, welcome back again. Now today we are going to study about the demerits of sole proprietorship or disadvantages of sole proprietorship. In the last video we have already seen what are the different advantages and what are the different merits of the sole proprietorship. Now everything is having certain pros and cons. So similarly applied here, certain demerits which are there with the sole proprietorship. Now we will study the first disadvantage, that is limited capital. How it is limited capital? Because the capital resources are limited to the personal savings and borrowings of the proprietor. His own assets may be insufficient and his borrowing capacity is limited, so that we can say there is a limited scope for growth of a business. Okay, understood? Now the second disadvantage is limited managerial skills. Now, because a single person is unlikely to possess the necessary skills in all the aspect of the business, he may not be able to manage the business efficiently. There is a lack of specialization in a sole proprietorship because every person is having a different skills and different characteristics. Now here the proprietor may feel overburdened and his decision might be unbalanced. He cannot afford to employ expert to manage the business because if he employ the experts, he has to do the certain, or he has to pay the certain cost for the experts. Okay. Now the third disadvantage is unlimited liability. The proprietor is personally liable for all the debts of the firm. If the business assets are insufficient, his personal property can be used to pay the creditors. His capacity to take risk is reduced. Means he cannot take a more risk because he is only the person who is going to pay all the liabilities of the business. Okay. Now the fourth disadvantage is lack of continuity. Now here the life of a sole proprietorship is uncertain. Means any person's life is uncertain. Due to the illness, insolvency or death of a proprietor may suffer or may lead to termination of the business. Suppose if a person dies, the business can shut down. The businessman may lack the required qualities or aptitude for the business. So here we have the point, that is lack of continuity. Now the last disadvantage is limited scope for expansion. Now how the scope is limited? Because due to the limitations of capital and management, proprietorship business cannot grow and expand to a large size. Here, economies of the large scale operation cannot be obtained. Its goodwill and bargaining position are also weak, means they are not much more stronger. Okay, understood? Thank you everyone. I hope you have understood very clearly what are the demerits of the sole proprietorship. If you like the video, like the channel, subscribe and share. Thank you once again.